If you're battling a dry cough, I've got 5 amazing home remedies to help soothe that scratchy throat. Let's dive right in. First up, capsaicin. You know, that spicy kick from cayenne pepper. It's great for desensitizing the throat and reducing cough reflexes. Just mix a pinch of cayenne pepper in warm water and sip slowly. Your throat will thank you. Next, we have honey. This golden nectar isn't just for sweetening your tea. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can coat your throat, providing instant relief. Take a spoonful straight or mix it in your herbal tea. Now, turmeric milk. This one's a classic. Warm milk with a dash of turmeric powder can work wonders. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, making this concoction perfect for soothing a dry throat. Fourth on our list is marshmallow root tea. No, not the fluffy treat. Marshmallow root is known for its mucilage, which can coat and protect your throat. Steep the root in hot water, strain and sip for a calming, soothing effect. And finally, the humble humidifier. Dry air can worsen a dry cough. Using a humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping to keep your throat and airways hydrated. Remember, these remedies are great for easing symptoms, but they're not a substitute for medical advice. If your cough persists, make sure to see a healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Stay healthy and take care.